Hello everyone, today I will tell you how you can add music to your PowerPoint slides and continuously playing the music while going through your all of the slides. So let's start with the video. First you will go to the upper bar and click on insert. Now here you will find the audio option and here it is on the top right. In the media you will see the audio option. Click on audio on PC and now from here you will select the audio which you want to add in your PowerPoint slides. Insert it. Now I will manually play it from here. I will manually stop it. If you want to watch our slide, let's see what will happen. We see when we want to change our slide, the music has stopped. So this is the problem. Go back to the first slide and click on the icon. Here will be two additional bars, audio format and playback. Click on playback and from here you will click on play in background. It will continuously playing the music. From here play across slides, loop until stopped. There is also fade in and fade out options. You can also trim the audio like this to tell the computer from where the music has to start and from where it has to end, but now I am leaving it on default. From here you can also add bookmark. Select the point and then click on the add bookmark. Now from here we can skip from one point to another. We can also remove the bookmark from here. Now let's watch our slides how it will go. The music is playing continuously. Now go back to the first slide. Click on the icon. If you want to hide the icon, click on the playback and here you will see the box hide during show. If you want to keep it, please uncheck the box. You can also change the settings by clicking on no style and select the settings of your choice in click, automatic and other. You can also change the volume from medium, low to high. Thank you very much. I hope you will like this video. Please subscribe our channel.